The Festival of Remembrance at Royal Albert Hall became a powerful moment of unity for the royal family and an emotional return to the spotlight for the Princess of Wales, Kate Middleton. Radiant in a sleek black dress, Kate made her first high-profile appearance since completing chemotherapy, marking a new chapter after a challenging year. Accompanied by Prince William, she walked into the venue with grace and resilience, visibly moved by the ceremony's tribute to Britain's servicemen and women. This appearance, one of her first major public events since her cancer diagnosis, shows her commitment to royal duties and the causes she holds dear, despite ongoing health challenges. The event brought together senior members of the royal family, including King Charles, who received a warm welcome as he took his seat, joined by the Duke and Duchess of Edinburgh, Princess Anne, and others. The evening's performances and tributes honored the sacrifices of the British and Commonwealth Armed Forces, with musical performances by British icons like Sir Tom Jones and Alexandra Burke adding a heartfelt touch. Kate, often known for donning 3 poppies, wore one this year, symbolizing both a solemn remembrance and a personal reflection on resilience. The royal box, draped with the royal emblem, echoed the solemnity of the event as veterans of World War II received a standing ovation. Kate's journey back to health has been closely followed, with her recent appearance shining a light on her strength amid a difficult year. Prince William, in recent remarks, praised his wife's courage, calling her amazing and highlighting the challenges they faced as a family. Her resilience was evident earlier this year when she made appearances at events like Trooping the Colour in Wimbledon, and her September video message offered a rare glimpse into her experience with cancer, emphasizing her hope and determination in the months to come. As the royal family continues its public commemorations, including the upcoming Remembrance Sunday service at the Cenotaph, this gathering showcased the strength and dedication of its members. King Charles and Princess Anne looked on with pride as the Chelsea pensioners took center stage, and together, the royals paid tribute to Britain's fallen heroes. Queen Camilla, notably absent due to a seasonal illness, is expected to return to her royal duties soon, underscoring the resilience that binds the family as they honor those who have sacrificed for the nation.